In the annals of space exploration, the year 2014 witnessed a significant event that left scientists and space enthusiasts across the globe bewildered. The Russian space agency, Roscosmos, embarked on a mission of great importance to explore the moon with the Luna-25 spacecraft. However, the excitement was short-lived as just seconds before touchdown, disaster struck. The Luna-25 spacecraft crashed on the lunar surface, leaving scientists grappling with the enigma of what had gone wrong. For years, the Luna-25 crash remained an unsolved mystery, a haunting reminder of the complexity and uncertainties of space exploration. But now, thanks to painstaking research and the meticulous analysis of data gathered from the crash, we are beginning to piece together the truth behind this enigmatic event. One of the primary theories that has emerged to explain the Luna-25 crash suggests that a malfunction in the spacecraft's landing system may have caused it to lose control. The landing phase of any lunar mission is a critical moment, requiring precise calculations and flawless execution. A malfunction in this crucial system could spell disaster, as it did in this case. Another theory speculates that unexpected lunar surface conditions may have played a significant role in the crash. The moon's surface is far from uniform, and there could have been unforeseen challenges or obstacles that the Luna-25 spacecraft encountered during its descent. The lunar surface has varying levels of terrain ruggedness, craters, and other natural features that could pose difficulties for a landing spacecraft. Understanding the Luna-25 incident is not merely an academic pursuit but a crucial step for the future of lunar exploration. Space agencies worldwide have ambitious plans to return to the moon and even establish a sustainable presence there. To achieve these goals, it is imperative to learn from past failures and successes alike. The Luna-25 crash provides invaluable lessons that can inform the design and performance of future lunar missions. Scientists are leaving no stone unturned in their quest to unravel the Luna-25 crash. They are analyzing every piece of data available, scrutinizing every minute detail of the mission, and conducting simulations to recreate the events leading up to the crash. The pursuit of knowledge is relentless, as the stakes are high, and the challenges of lunar exploration are formidable. As we continue to delve deeper into our universe, failures are, regrettably, inevitable. Yet, it is from these failures that we derive some of our most profound lessons. Failure is not a dead end but a crossroads where we learn, adapt, and ultimately succeed. The Luna-25 crash is but one chapter in the ongoing quest to understand the mysteries of space, and it underscores the indomitable human spirit that propels us forward into the cosmos. In conclusion, the 2014 crash of the Luna-25 spacecraft serves as a sobering reminder of the difficulties involved in space travel. This tragedy has taught us important lessons that will help us plan for future lunar missions, whether it was because of a landing system malfunction or unanticipated lunar surface conditions. Scientists' commitment to solving this puzzle and the space exploration community's will to keep going despite obstacles are testaments to humanity's ongoing drive to explore and comprehend the cosmos. The Luna-25 accident continues to be a ray of optimism as we advance across space. It serves as a reminder that failures teach us lessons and ultimately lead to success. Thank you for watching this video and joining us on this journey of discovery. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights and updates on the wonders of the universe.